Global Strategic Solutions has been offering meta-analysis services for many years. Mainly it's combined with systematic literature reviews. And it's important to keep up with the changing environment, what's going on with meta-analysis. I've attended several workshops. I attended this workshop when it was offered several years ago, but they recently updated the material and offered it January 23rd to 25th, which I attended. It's a great workshop to attend to monitor the changes in the state-of-the-art interpretations, of meta-analysis. You attended this workshop. You received 3 different spiral notebooks of notes for the class that went over 3 days. You also received this neat book. I bought this book several years ago and actually wrote a Amazon review on it. If you're interested in looking at that, I do recommend it for those who are either new to meta-analysis or those who do have experience with meta-analysis. It's written in a way there's something for you too there. One of the things I liked about the workshop is not only do we receive nice handouts, but there was also really good practical discussions about real live events and cases that the attendees were being challenged with. It really reiterated the goals of meta-analysis. There was the opportunity to show you or bring your own data and have a discussion either privately or with the group, in a group setting as it was being taught. And you get to use the comprehensive meta-analysis software, which we purchased a license for many years ago. If you're interested in attending and learning more about meta-analysis, they offer this training in London in February and then back in New York in March. If you need help to do meta-analysis, please contact us. We'd be pleased to help you perform meta-analysis either early on in developmental stages or right when you're ready to submit to summarize what's known in the state of the art at the moment, and then for surveillance purposes afterwards. If you want our services, please let's talk. Thanks.